Today, I'm going to talk about something that we have all wanted for years and years and years, and finally Helium 10 has it. So this strategy is a very quick one, but a very powerful strategy that I'm sure many of you who haven't heard about this are going to be very excited. So for years, Helium 10, like many other sales estimation tools, provided sales data only at the parent level. So that means if there was a variation, for example, like men's t-shirts, and there were different sizes and different colors, you would only know the sales for the entire variation. So you wouldn't be able to see, oh, hey, the red size large is the one that sells the most. You would only be able to see how they all sell together. So what we have now, though, is something that will actually break down the sales estimates at the child level. So you can see which variations sell best. So say you're doing product research and you're looking for, to sell a men's t-shirt, and you want to see which color and sizes are the best to start off with. You will now know what the best colors and sizes are to start off with without having to do some kinds of weird calculations that other people have done in the past. But this makes it super easy and super quick. So I'm going to show you how this works. So what you want to do is you want to go to Amazon. So what I've done is I just basically searched men's t-shirts. And so what we'll do next is we're going to just pull the Amazon extension here that we have, our X-ray extension. And what we can see here is we've got up here the parent level sales for this particular product. So you can see the parent level sales and the ASIN. So this particular ASIN right here is how much it's selling. Okay. But we also see the total as well. But if you want to expand this down, you can actually expand it down and you're going to be able to see all of the variations that are here and how many sales that they have made, so that you can actually decide, okay, hey, do I want to, sell this particular color or this particular size? So here we have it right here. And so let's take a look. We've got so this one is selling 6,000 out of the total. This one's about 1,500. So it looks like this one is selling quite a bit. And you can see right here, this is a kind of a 4-pack, or maybe it's a 3-pack of men's shirts, and they're black, and it's even a higher price point. So maybe you would consider something like that. Hey, maybe I need to, instead of selling, maybe a single t-shirt, maybe I need to do the 4-pack because men are looking for the 4-packs. They're looking for black 4-packs in a specific size. So that can actually help you to determine where to invest your money first, and then you can expand out to other variations and colors. But this data is absolute gold and very, very helpful for determining your next product, or even, your first product, which one would be the most profitable because it would be the most popular. So if you haven't checked this out on our Helium 10 X-ray extension, check it out now because this is an absolute game changer.